Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Daily Techie, and this video would be the third video of the VIT series that I am being continuing till now. And in this video I'll tell you guys about the documents that are needed while going to campus. VIT has sent us a mail in which it has mentioned all the documents, the list of all the documents that they'll need for us to take along when going to campus. So without wasting any further time, let's continue to the video. As you can see on my screen, this is a mail that is sent by VIT, which was sent on 21st December. Sorry, I am quite late because of the ongoing final exams. And in this video, as you can see, that there are all the in this mail you can see that there are all the list of the documents that will be needed, the list of the original document that VIT is demanding, and the copy of the document that VIT is demanding, and the additional documents also. This is a whole bunch of list containing all the documents. And as you can see in the list of original documents, first they are asking for the mark statements for all the attempts of qualifying exams. Like for us, we have cleared VIT through 2 exams. Like they have considered our board results as well as the JEE results. So in case you have for us, some students have applied through boards and some have applied through JEE. So the students that have applied from boards have to carry their board certificate and all, and the students which have applied through JEE, they have to carry the JEE certificate, the JEE mark sheet, and all the things that are the enrollment number and all the things that were required at that time. And second of all, they are demanding us the transfer certificate and the school leaving certificate. This certificate is provided by the school authorities. Like after completing your 12th, the authorities give you these 2 certificate. I personally have my transfer certificate, but not my school leaving certificate. So any of these 2 certificate will work. So I'll take with me my transfer certificate. And further, like they are demanding us a migration certificate. Like the board, for example, if I take the example of me, I passed through CBSE board, so I'll take the migration certificate issued by my CBSE board authorities. And next I have to for us they are demanding, first you have to go to the student profile tab that is there in VTop, and let's click on it. The application number can be seen through the VTop itself. Just log into VTop, and there you can see your application number. I'll just show you how to see your application number. My info, then profile, and here is your application number. Just copy it and paste it over here, then fill other details. And next, coming to the affidavits that they are needing. First affidavit that they are needing by the student is signed by student and the notarized only. Let's click on this, and this document is only to be signed by the student and the notarized. No other person can sign this document. And the second affidavit that they are demanding is to be signed by the parents and the notarized, parent or any other guardian and the notarized. And the third affidavit that the hostel affidavit that they are demanding is you can click on this side. It will take you to the VIT website, and then you can scroll down and see this men's hostel affidavit. As you can see in this section, men's hostel affidavit. If you are a girl, then click on the ladies hostel affidavit one. You can just fill all the details and get it signed by you and the notarized person. So next coming to the further, let's come on to the certificate that they are demanding. They are demanding one of your physical certificate that is to be signed by a doctor, proper doctor, authorized doctor. You can click on this and download the certificate. This contains all the details. Just the doctor will fill this detail and sign this certificate. You have to bring this to the campus, and then also you have to bring recent passport size color photograph. That is they are demanding to, I will suggest bring at least 10 passport size photograph with yourself. That is the latest one. Don't bring any 12th or any other passport size photograph. Bring the latest passport size photographs with you guys. And further, they are demanding the copy of some of the documents. These were the original document that was demanded by VIT, but next they are demanding some of the copies of the documents also. So that asking for the Aadhaar card copy and the age or any age group certificate. everyone has Aadhaar cards, so bring that colored photocopy or any of the photocopy that will work, and then bring your 10th and 12th mark sheet, board mark sheets. If you have been giving boards in 10th, so bring those mark sheet, 10th and 12th both mark sheets. ICSE, CBSE, any of the board that you have appeared, bring those mark sheets. And the transfer certificate and migration certificate and community certificate, that is only for the SC and the STs. The person who are those who are SC and ST, you have to bring community certificate also with yourself. And nativity certificate for candidates, like some of the candidates that are coming from states like Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh or any other northeastern states, they have to bring the nativity certificate. I don't know much about nativity certificate because I am residing in New Delhi, so I don't require any of the nativity certificate like this. An additional document that you need for the NRI student, like if any of you guys who are watching this video are coming from any foreign country or any other place outside India, you have to bring your passport copy, student and pen both, and then the employer certificate of the original employer certificate and the sponsorship certificate letter, if any. All the original documents or the copies of the document that they are demanding, that will not be returned. These transfer and migration certificate, they are demanding a copy, so don't worry, they will return the original ones. They are also demanding the copy of those, so don't worry about that thing. And so this was the mail that was provided by VIT to us, in which they included all the list of the documents that they will be needing from us in order to visit, in order to let us in campus and continue our journey. So if you guys like this video and have watched till now, just like to it, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates regarding VIT and any other tech details that I keep on posting. And if you don't know my Instagram handle also, that is also by name of Delhi Techie. Go check it out. If you like it, just follow it. And don't worry, I'll attach all these documents, the link of the websites and the documents in the description down below, so do check that also. So see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.